Hello boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Messina and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. For this new project, we are going to be dealing with the warm and cool colors. Your warm colors remind us of the sun and remind us of fire and also alertness. Your warm colors are your oranges, your yellows, and of course your reds. And we can't forget our pink. So any of these three colors are your warm colors. Our cool colors are our blues, our purples, and last but not least, our greens. Now, would pink be a warm color or a cool color? Pink would be a warm color, but again, our cool colors are green, blue, and purple. So for this project, we will be doing a fancy project called stippling. Stippling is painting with only dots or dabs. Now, before we begin for this project, you need a white piece of paper, some watercolor paints, some water, anything to clean up with, and crayons. Alright, let's get started. So, inspired by, for our project, we are going to be learning about the artist named Georges Seurat. Georges Seurat is a French painter that uses a painting technique called stippling. That means painting with dots. So we are not going to be painting with brush strokes. We are going to be painting with dots. And remember how we talked about our warm colors and cool colors? If you look, there is a special color challenge. Not only do we have to paint with dots, but the inside of our flower for our lily pad is going to be with warm colors, and our background is going to be with cool colors. And of course, our lily pad is going to be colored with just green. So again, when you are doing this project, think of warm colors, cool colors, and painting with dots or dabs. So, boys and girls, we're going to be doing kind of like a watercolor crayon resist. So, you want to make sure that you are pressing hard. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I need you to do, I need you to grab a warm color crayon. Oops, is this a warm color crayon? No, that's a cool color crayon because it's green. Let's grab a warm color crayon, like red. So, when we do our flower part, we want to draw big. So first, we're going to press really hard. We're going to make a big smile. We want to make sure we leave some room at the bottom for our lily pad. Now see how we have these 2 points right here? We're going to draw big. We're going to cross over to this curve. Then, see this point right here? We're going to cross over and meet in the middle. Kind of looks like a cat. Now over here, we're going to be making a big triangle. So it looks like these petals are in layers. After that, you're going to make some curvy balloons for the pollen. And again, make sure you're pressing hard. Kind of looks like an alien. Next, we are going to be grabbing our green for our lily pad. So underneath, you're going to start actually in the middle of the side, and you're just going to curve around. If you want to, you can even draw some hilly lines, and you're going to curve right back to the middle. Again, pressing hard. Now, we're going to be showing some of the veins of the lily pad by either using a yellow or a green. And we're just going to draw really hard, and we're just going to make kind of like these wide stick shapes. Excuse me. Now, let's get to the stippling part. Again, we are going to be painting with dots. So I have my cup of water. Now, when we use watercolor paint, we want to make sure that we're not stabbing the paint, but we're just tickling the paint. Now, for our color challenge, we are first going to stipple with green on our lily pad. Again, dipping it in the water, tickling my paint. Now, we want to make sure it does not look like a gigantic puddle. So we're just going to dot, 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 dot. If you notice, the more dots you add closer, the color is going to form more. And of course, it's going to be dripping because my picture's on the board. And when I want to clean my paintbrush, I'm going to dip it in the water. You can also take a wipe or a paper towel just to double check. Now the inside of your petals are going to be with warm colors. So we're only going to be using these three. So again, dot, dot, dot. Now, we just have plain red, but what's really cool is with these three colors, we could be making some new colors. I'm going to make some orange, and if you look, it is starting to turn red-orange. You're going to cover anything that's the flower with warm colors. Now, your background is going to be cool colors. We are also not going to use black or brown because those are not warm colors or cool colors. Those are neutral colors. So again, we're just going to tap, 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 or dab, dab, dab away. We want to try our best to fill in all the white. If you notice, I'm not using paint strokes. I'm just dabbing away. And again, you will be making brand new colors. Now let's talk about our yeses and our nos for this picture. This is my no picture. You want to make sure that you are using the right colors. If you look, this person just used blue inside the petals. That is not a warm color. And if you look, it's very sloppy with lots of paint strokes. All right, I can't wait to see your artwork. Have a wonderful day.